2022 Mitsubishi Outlander, non-sport Outlander. Front clip. This one is for customer pickup. Gentleman is driving a long ways off. So as always, do a video. Make sure we show everything so there's no disappointment. This one just came out of the wash, or wash bay, so looks a little weird in the video on the paint. That is because it's partially wet in some areas and not wet in other areas. Very, very nice front clip. All the splash shields and the air cleaner box are bagged up. Rad condenser fans still in place on the rad support. As you can see, still dripping on me, so it's very fresh out of the wash bay. But overall, really, really nice clean front. Positive the customer's going to be very pleased when they pick this one up. Any questions, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching.